find a can opener. Okay.
Where should we look first?
I don't know. How about in here?
Oh.
We got one. Yay! Yay! We're gonna bring this out to Johan now.
Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. No seminary Friday.
Yay! Johan, we found a can opener.
We found one.
Here you go.
We found one.
We found one. And we brought this.
Oh, do you still have my cell phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
And we brought this, and we don't know why.
We thought it was a device.
It is. It is.
Okay, open.
Open.
Oh, it doesn't fit.
You have to like adjust it.
Yeah, silly Millie.
See, watch. I don't know how to
Go
do it.
Mel. Go
Go
Mel.
like this or something.
No.
Yeah, you do.
That's for
That's
like
the
cans.
can. This is for the bottle.
Yeah.
Well,
Hold on. Let me do it.
Hold on.
hey, Johan's our macho man.
Yeah. Go
He can do
Johan.
anything.
Go Johan. Go
Go,
Johan.
Johan.
Go.
Go, Johan.
Go Johan. Go Johan.
Ow.
Ow.
Oh.
Oh.
It broke.
We're like, oh.
That made it really PG.
Yeah.
Oh, it kept breaking.
Yay! Party! Woo!
I guess we better bring this back to the tree.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Yay!
Here's Melanie's seminary room. Oh, that looks scary. That looks scary.
Scary. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to this side. Yay!
What's up?
Hit me up, Johan.
Okay, we have to. we have to do us drinking too. So.
Okay.
But let's go right there and go. Mmm.
It's all warm.
Now grab your drink and come back.
Come back here. We'll drink. We'll toast. We have to toast. Let's all make a toast.
Okay, we're gonna make
I'll go
toast.
first. I give this toast for world peace.
World peace.
You take a drink.
I give this toast for my mommy,
For Chelsea's mother.
Yolanda.
Your team, Johan.
This is for all the puppies in the world.
Puppies.
All the puppies.
And Hello
And-
Kitty.
Hello Kitty.
Thank you for tuning
See
in.
that puppy.
Thank you for tuning in. Bye.
PG-13.